Ayo kita mulai. Udah belum?
Udah mulai.
Mulai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, all friends. The Honorable Miss Lecturer Rahima MPD SPDI and all my friends who I am proud of. First of all, let us praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because with His great, we can join in this English course meeting. Adjective clause. In this presentation, we will discuss. Let's start this meeting by reading Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. For the next agenda is the presentation which will be read by Mawaddah.
Definition of adjective clause. Adjective clause is an important part of English grammar because it plays a role in emphasizing information with a more detailed sentence. An adjective clause is also a clause that cannot stand alone or is also known as a dependent clause. Its role is to modify pronouns and nouns in a complex sentence. The characteristic of the sentence start from having a subject and a predicate and begin with a relative pronoun. Who, which, whose, that, whom, or relative adverb when, why, where. In addition, there are three important characteristics possessed by an adjective clause, including having to have a verb. It must begin with a relative verb or relative pronoun. As an adjective, it also functions to answer various questions ranging from what, which, how many, and so on. The pattern of the adjective clause itself generally follows one of the following two patterns. Pattern 1, relative pronoun or adverb formula plus subject plus verb. Example sentence, I lost my bag home, I borrow from her. In this sentence, whom acts as a relative pronoun, while I function as a subject and borrow as a verb. Pattern 2, different from the previous pattern of the adjective clause with the relative pronoun formula as subject plus verb. Example sentences include the expired number that was signed last year is no longer valid. In this sentence, the relative pronoun functions as the subject, while the sign was functions as a verb. Example of adjective clause. Number 1, the woman who is talking with my mom is my homeroom teacher. Number 2, I'm going to watch the horror movie that you recommended. Number 3, she lost the ring which her boyfriend gave it to her as her birthday present. Number 4, the man whom we met yesterday at the museum used to be an actor. Adjective clause formula. The formula for the adjective clause as subject use who, that, and which. An example is the cotton candy that was made of sugar. Its function is as an object by using the words whom, that, which, and also who. For example, in the sentence, that is a book which I want to buy. Other functions are in whose. Not many understand this function. An example is Afi, whose car has burned down. We can then divide the adjective clause based on what will then be attached to the noun. Next slide will be read by Indra Setiawan. Indra baca, Indra.
Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun as a conjunction adjective clause the function to reflect a missing subject, object, and object of preposition because the adjective clause that contain the relative pronoun who, which, that, whom. Relative pronoun as subject. Relative pronoun as subject is when the noun is the something that do something, or is the form of something. So is must use the conjunction who, which, that. Relative pronoun as subject must also be direct followed by verb because of its role as subject formula. Relative pronoun as subject was do something is who, which, that plus verb. Example of sentence. The girl who that came to my house yesterday, I meaning the woman who came to my house yesterday. The dog which that always tells me, meaning the dog that always steals the fish. Relative pronoun as object. Relative pronoun as object is a condition when a noun must use the conjunction whom, which, that. Relative pronoun as object are general followed by a subject and the transitive verb. Why transitive? Because in function is a object, so it shall be underlined that the transitive verb have only one object. I'll, I'll hope sometim there are also two objects. The relative pronoun and object formula itself included who, which, that plus subject plus verb object. Example of relative pronoun as object sentence. The bag which that you broke. The shelter warm that made that visit. Relative verb. Relative verb as a conjunction adjective clause that appear after certain nouns. What are type of relative verb have in common list in the absence of missing component? The relative verb formula itself is relative verb
Kok berhenti sih?
plus subject plus verb plus object. It can be seen in the formula with the subject. That is still true even if the verb intransitive, the object will still appear. Relative verb of time when. The verb when in general use and relative verb. Function as adjective form a noun in the form of time, for example, day, month, year, moment, hour, date, and author. Here an example. The day when death killed me. The year when my brother was born. Next. Relative verb of place where. The word where is used when an relative of a function and a property of the noun of place. A noun in the form of a place. For example, in house, building, office, market, place, room, and other. Here an example. The building where Ronnie is hiding. The market where Bud are sold. Relative verb of recent way. The word way is used when a relative verb function and adjective form a noun of reason. General tree is only one noun of reason itself. Synonym include excuse, case, proof, idea, explanation. Consider the following example. The reason why NADA create. The idea why coronavirus spread quickly. Next. Next. Relative verb of manner how. The word how is used when the relative verb function and adjective for the noun of manner. There is only one noun of manner, namely the why. Pay attention. The why how I solve this problem. The why how she talked to me. Relative possessive. Whose. Relative possessive function the plus possessive on or ownership in my, your, they, or his, her, is. More detail of fall. My neighbor will report to the police, meaning my neighbor will report the police. His car was lost. My neighbor whose car was lost will report the police. The word was in the sentence above reflect is with is a possessive, sin is a basical and adjective, and must stick to the noun be was bicycle. Next, Dinda.
Exercise. Exercise identifying adjective clause. Number 1, in our village, there were many people didn't have much money. The answer is in our village, there were many people who didn't have much money. Number 2, I enjoyed the book that you told me to read it. The answer is I enjoyed the book that you told me to read. Number 3, I still remember the man who he taught me to play the violin when I was a boy. The answer is I still remember the man who taught me to play the guitar when I was a boy. Next. Number 4, I show my father a picture of the car. I am going to buy it as soon as I save enough money. The answer is I show my father a picture of the car I am going to buy as soon as I save enough money. Number 5, the woman about who I was talking about suddenly walked into the room. I hope she didn't hear me. The answer is the woman about whom I was talking suddenly walked into the room. Or the woman whom I was talking about suddenly walked into the room. Next. Exercise A. Adjective clause connector as the object of a verb. Number 1, the book was good, I read it. The answer is the book which I read was good. Number 2, I like the woman, I met her at the party last night. The answer is I like the woman whom I met at the party last night. Number 3, I like the composition. You wrote it. The answer is I like the composition which you wrote. Next slide. Exercise B. Direction. Combine the two sentences. Use the second sentence as an adjective clause. Number 1, I saw the man, he closed the door. The answer is I saw the man who closed the door. Number 2, the girl is happy, she won the race. The answer is the girl who won the race is happy. Number 3, the student is from China. She sits next to me. The answer is the student who sits next to me is from China. Next. Exercise C. Usual patterns of adjective clause. Number 1, see lecture on a topic. I know very little about it. The answer is see lecture on a topic which I know very little about. Number 2, the student missed the assignment. They were absent from class. The answer is the student who were absent from class missed the assignment. Number 3, yesterday I ran into an old friend. I hadn't seen him for years. The answer is yesterday I ran into an old friend whom I hadn't seen for years. Exercise D. Using whose in adjective clause. Number 1, I know a man, his last name is Groot. The answer is I know a man whose last name is Groot. Number 2, I apologize to the woman. I spilled her coffee. The answer is I apologize to the woman whose I spilled coffee. Number 3, the man called the police. His wallet was stolen. The answer is the man whose wallet was stolen called the police. Number 4, I met the woman. Her husband is the president of the company. The answer is I met the woman whose husband is the president of the company. Next slide. Next, Jaya.
The professor is excellent. I am taking her course. The professor was. I am taking course excellent. Mr. Not teaches a class for students. Their native language is not English. The people were nice. We visited their house. I live in a dormitory. Is residents come from many countries. I live in I live in a dormitory. Was residents come from many countries.
Indra tutup.
Ya, sebentar. Final, we enter the final agenda. We thank the present and all participant. I ask a moderator saying if there are any wrong word, please forgive and now for from our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.